What's up, guys? Your boy Butch from Imperial Auto. Today another hard-working day, so chill, stay buckled up. Welcome to Imperial TV.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a good tool to hammer it inside the wheel lock to break the wheel lock out and then replace it with a new one. Apparently the wheel lock extractor that they sell, like strap-on cells, it doesn't work because the wheel is kind of like very well, the lock is so thick and the wheel is so tight, so if you're gonna put it in there and hammer it, you might damage the wheel. Shove in maybe a socket in there and hammer it in there to where it gets stuck with the wheel lock, and then you break the wheel lock loose and then it'll come out. Let me see if this can be. We gotta break this wheel extractor, but see how thick it is. So it's too thick. It will not go in there. It's gonna damage the wheel. We don't want to damage the wheel. I don't think the guy will be happy. All these tools is just, I need the right one. I can have millions of dollars of tools, but all I think is just that one freaking tool that you need. What a day. Oh well. Day's not over yet. Oh, you like my hat? Pretty cool, right? Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Well, I'll tell you what. You remember my Urus? You remember my black Urus? Check this out. We're fucked. So apparently, I misunderstood. I thought it was for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I'm like, well, I thought Breast Cancer Awareness Month is October, because we have an event on Saturday, which is, we're in November, technically. So now that I called him, he's like, no, it's November for men cancer awareness month. I was like, what happened to the pink shit? I mean, oh my god, man, oh well, we're still supporting. Hey, you know what, women? I got your back. I got your back. So whatever it is, if it's October, if it's November or December, any month of the year, hey, Breast Cancer Awareness Month is all year round. We support you. We love you guys. Titties for life. Yeah, battery's dead. What does need to do? Alright, let's see what's going on here. Take pictures sent to the customer, let them know, hey, your car is fine, it's in good hands, all good. Same thing with this guy right here. I'm gonna update your clients. Alright, I got it. I'm gonna make it work. Where's the, can I get the breaker bar if you don't mind? Please. I am legend. Is that easy? Oh, everything is easy with Butch.
So wheel lock keys are useless?
Yeah, I feel like it's very useless when it comes to Butch, yeah. Yo, what's up?
Oh, Yogi!
Oh yeah.